How can you strategically set benchmarks that will improve your return on investment? Once you identify areas of improvement, how can you make sure the changes you implement will be successful? Increase your ROI through benchmarking that is well implemented and continuously monitored with Knowledgecity's course, Using Benchmarking to Improve ROI. This course will help you identify areas of improvement in your organization by considering both short and long-term wins and losses. Implement changes in your organization by exploring 4 proven methods for structuring change. And monitor improvements to your ROI by using both qualitative and quantitative analyses. Benchmarking to improve ROI will require changes to your business. Learn best practices for making these changes with our course, Benchmarking to Improve ROI.